Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your background to white in CapCut. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app and now create a new project. And firstly, you'll have to choose the background that is white. So save the photo of white background, click on the photo section and choose the white background that you want to use and click on add it to your timeline. Now we need another video as the main video, so simply click on overlay at the bottom menu and add overlay. Choose the video. Now change the duration according to your need, just like that. Also resize your overlay video by clicking on the overlay video and simply holding it and moving around in the screen. We can change the size of the video. Now, since we want to remove the background of the overlay video, click on it. And as we scroll to the right, you'll see remove background, BG, click on it. Now, we can auto remove it, but it is a pro feature. We can also do it without pro feature by clicking on custom removal. Now click on brush and select the area that you don't want to remove. So if we want to remove the background, just leave the background as it is and just select the subject that you don't want to remove. You can also erase mistakes that you have made by clicking on eraser and simply choosing where you don't want the selection. And just like that, we can change our background to white in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.